Hello everyone. Are you wondering what catfishing means? Let's explore. Catfishing refers to the act of creating a fake online identity or profile to deceive others, often for romantic or financial gain. The term gained popularity with the rise of online dating and social media, where individuals might use someone else's photos and information to pretend to be someone they are not. The goal of catfishing can vary, from seeking attention or love under false pretenses to manipulating or exploiting the victim. Catfishing can lead to emotional harm, as the person being deceived may develop feelings for or trust in someone who does not actually exist. In essence, catfishing is about online deception, where someone uses a false identity to mislead others, often resulting in betrayal and hurt. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.